In this video, we are going to discuss second, third and fourth bits of problem 2. If you look at the values of term 1, term 2, term 3 and term 4, we will see that all four values are same because common difference between them is 0. So the finally answer is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Let us look at the third bit. They have given a value 4, d value minus 3. Again, using this formula, if you find term 1 and term 2, term 3, you will get as shown here on the screen. So the answer is 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5 are the first four terms of our AP. Now let us solve the fourth bit. They have given a is equal to minus 1, d is equal to 1 by 2. So using this formula, let us find term 2, term 3, term 4. So after simplification, you will get minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2 are our first four terms of AP. Hope you got good clarity on the problems which we have discussed. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.